If you're closing somebody who's in a situation where they're going to be a or a suspect and not a prospect, it's maybe because you just didn't collect all the right information in the beginning, right? So what we've got really good at is asking the right questions. You want to be a detective. You want to be able to ask them the questions in the very beginning. Obviously, why they're selling the house. You're confirming the house, the size, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage. That's all standard. But the why, right? What's their motivation behind selling the property? The financials are extremely important. What do they need for the property? How much do they owe on the property? Those two things are huge. I can't tell you how many times an investor comes to me and says, "Hey, Joe, I think I have a deal for you." And I say, "Okay, what do they want for the property?" And they'll tell me they want 300,000. Say, "Okay, what do they owe on it?" And they have no clue, right? You're gonna want to get that information. And I promise you, it's just like anything else. If you come out in the very beginning of your conversation or in the very beginning of your relationship and you're just, "Hey, by the way, what do you owe on the mortgage?" You're probably not going to get very far. It's not very smooth, right? So what we've got good at is asking a series of questions where each question gets a little bit more in depth, right? The very first one is, "Hey, just tell me about your house." The second one's like, "Why are you selling it? How soon do you want to sell it?" But by the time that we get back, and I compare it to tennis, when you're throwing the easy ball out at them, what do? They hit it right back to you. You throw another shot at them. What do? They're going to shoot it right back to you. You develop a pattern of you asking a question, them giving you an answer. So by the time that you've gotten down to the mortgage question, guys, it's just another question to answer.